Hi, this is Dr. Helen. Today we're going to talk about nutritional research and how it proves that food is medicine. And Ayurveda says, without food, medicine will not restore health. This video is going to teach you about Ayurveda foods that are high in digestive enzymes. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you find this helpful. Ayurveda, the ancient holistic healing system, has made medicines and cooked with foods, herbs, and spices that modern nutritional research confirms are high in digestive enzymes. Ginger is often used for its digestive benefits. It can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, and alleviate nausea and indigestion. It is known for its digestive properties and contains enzymes like zinzibane, which help break down proteins and aid in digestion. Fennel seeds are often consumed after meals in Ayurveda to aid in digestion. Fennel is commonly used to relieve digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and gas. It also helps relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing spasms. That is very good for a vata imbalance or a vata person who gets pain after they eat. It also promotes digestion. So if you are a vata type person and you just don't have a good appetite, then you can have a little cup of fennel tea and it'll help you with that. Fennel contains an active compound that helps relax the digestive tract and reduces bloating, and it's been identified by nutritional research, and it's anethole, anethole. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been found to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps support digestion by reducing inflammation and promoting the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fat. It also helps to stimulate the digestive enzymes. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. Cumin can help stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes in the body, which can aid in the breakdown of food and support digestion. It is often used in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda for its carminative, which is cleaning out, properties, which can help relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. Triphala is an Ayurvedic herbal formulation consisting of 3 fruits, amalaki, which is Indian gooseberry, bibitaki, and harataki. It can be used by all 3 of the doshic types, predominant vata, predominant pitta, and predominant kapha. It can help optimize digestion by promoting proper absorption and assimilation of the nutrients, supporting the function of the gastrointestinal tract, and enhancing the body's natural digestive processes, which one of those is secreting digestive enzymes. Triphala is renowned for its digestive benefits and is often used as a natural laxative. Incorporating these herbs and foods into your diet has been proven by modern nutritional research to support increase in digestive enzymes and antioxidant health that promote overall well-being. Here are 5 Ayurvedic foods that are known for their high content of digestive enzymes. The most well-known food for digestive enzymes are pineapples. They contain bromelain, which is a group of digestive enzymes. Bromelain helps break down proteins. It has been used as a digestive aid and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that assists in the digestion of proteins. Eating ripe papaya will support digestion. Research on enzymes found in broccoli, specifically an enzyme that's gained attention for great potential health benefits because it's responsible for the breakdown of natural compounds that are found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli. Studies have shown that this enzyme in broccoli plays a role in the formation of bioactive compounds called sulforaphane, S-U-L, pho, F-O, R-A, phane, P-H-A-N-E, which has been associated with many health benefits. One is anti-cancer properties. It may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, promote their cell death. Several studies have suggested a protective role against certain types of cancers, including prostate cancer, breast cancer, and colorectal cancer. Anti-inflammatory effects. Sulforaphane derived from broccoli has been found to possess anti-inflammatory properties. It may help reduce inflammation in the body and mitigate chronic inflammatory, that means get rid of chronic inflammatory conditions. It's also, broccoli enzymes particularly contribute to the antioxidant activities of broccoli. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. And research has suggested that the sulforaphane from broccoli may support cardiovascular health. It has been shown to help improve lipid profiles, reduce oxidative stress, and enhance vascular blood vessel function, potentially reducing the risk of disease. Studies have also indicated that it protects the brain cells, reduces inflammation in the brain, and enhances brain function, which may have implications in the neurodegenerative condition like Alzheimer's disease. Vata-predominant people should cook their broccoli. Pittas can have broccoli either raw or steamed. Kaphas should have broccoli, but with ginger or some other spice, like maybe even just black pepper, to help digest. Mango contains enzymes such as amylase and protease, which assist in breaking down carbohydrates and proteins. It's good to eat it in the beginning of the meal because amylase is the enzyme that's in the salivary amylase in the mouth, and it starts the process of digestion. So that's recommended in Ayurveda. Also, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha will do good if they take mango in the early part of a dinner, lunch, or a breakfast. But just make sure the mango is ripe. Flaxseed is high in digestive enzymes. It's the #1 anti-inflammatory. But it is worth noting that flaxseed is best consumed in ground or milled form to enhance digestibility and maximize nutrient absorption. Whole flax seeds may pass through the digestive system undigested, so really I don't recommend that. It's an flaxseed meal, it's called, is an anti-inflammatory. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acid and lignans in flaxseed may have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially benefiting rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. And now we know that there's nutritional research that actually proves that. Flaxseed is an anti-inflammatory nutritional powerhouse, a rich source of phytoestrogens, essential fatty acids, enzymes, protein, lignans, vitamins, and minerals. In Ayurveda, flaxseed is often used to balance the Vata dosha, which is associated with dryness, coldness, and imbalance. Flaxseed is oily and nourishing property are believed to help counteract Vata imbalances and promote better overall balance in the body. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, and kefir contain beneficial enzymes produced by probiotic bacteria during the fermentation process. Incorporating prebiotic-rich foods into your diet, along with probiotic-rich foods, can promote a healthy gut microbiome. Ayurveda incorporates these foods into daily diet to provide natural sources of digestive enzymes and contribute to better digestion. If you have a coated tongue, it is a clear sign your body is lacking in digestive enzymes and is producing ama. Ama is undigested food that ferments and putrefies and creates clogging, drying, and inflammation. And you can see this on your tongue. You just have to take a look at the tongue, and if it's white, that means that it's kapha ama. If it's yellow, that means that, and somewhat red, yellow or red or yellowish, that is more toward a pitta ama. And if it's dry and cracking, that is more like a vata ama. Be sure to scrape your tongue clean every day. Gargling with sesame oil will also help. And don't forget to take your 1 teaspoon of triphala before bed nightly for 21 days, or you can take it in capsule form, 2 tablets at night, and it'll help you get rid of all that vata ama, pitta ama, and kapha ama, and so that your digestive enzymes will work maximum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave comments. Happiness and health. Have a great day. And this is Dr. Helen Thomas at 707-527-7313 for an Ayurvedic consultation. And you can get my book at Amazon. You can just go to the search and type in Dr. Helen Mary Thomas, DC, and Ayurveda, and it'll come right up for you. Okay, I'll talk to you next time.